kiji manawag. Goy.
Parabsam ah.
Mga pantay dyan man.
Mga panak hindi ubingak na destino ni father ko di pulis.
Sakto ti santo kan.
Well. Manawag no gawid kayo lumabas kayo to jay pakailag kwa. Yung sipot-siputan ti kita pag mo ato ti mang drogas jay. Kung mga safe day nga place. Jo. Jo. Emo.
Anak ka na.
No jay ka manawag.
Yeah.
Sipot-siputan day gamot nga safe nga lugar jay.
No, kami, one time, nung nagpunta kami dyan, at bakit nagsabit ko di paadong.
Oh, pagdandak nyam. No di mo alam kung kusirap na pa eh. Kain tayo. Log.
She took off her. I know, yeah, that's what she does. Because she took off this. Why would she do that, right? Yeah. No, I told this one. I said, she did that because maybe she's really comfortable to you because you know, you guys are coming friends. And she did that. That's why I told her. Yeah. So she can do whatever, but you still like to have a respect. Oh yeah. For the meat you put in jilbab. Yeah. Because that's not your job. Yeah. And it's like, I'll scratch your back. You scratch my back. Scratch my back. You help them like if you want to make labels. Yeah. Like this one. You know, filing. But when it comes to scheduling, don't touch that. Yeah. It is already there, so you just have to follow it. Yeah. Roy, may ipin ba yung tubig mo?
Yeah, okay lang.
If you're not comfortable, then oh well. That's their issue. Are you guys okay there? Yeah, so far.
Diyan Robin. Kain tayo. Itlog. Mga lakay kabsat. With tinapay, with noodles, I don't know kung... Anong balita kabsat? Carbs. Bos natin itong tinapay.
Who is eating huevo?
What? Itlog.
Who is eating huevito?
What is it? Cuervo?
What is that for? Drink again?
Amiga. What do you call this one? Cuervo?
Why are you eating huevo?
Cuervo?
Oh my god, you are doing
What's this?
routine.
What's this?
Huevo.
Cuevo?
Huevo.
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 Huevo. Betlog. We call it betlog.
Bedlock?
Betlog.
Bed?
Log.
O bed?
Bet.
Bedlock.
Betlog. Huevo. Okay.
Huevo.
Betlog.
Huevo.
Mm.
So you, ano, never mind.
You want some? Huh? Mm. Rutina. Just the way you are. Hmm? Natin yung noodles kung pwede na. Oh, sili. Kalimutan ko. Sige. Mm. Mm.
Well, you're the one that ate it earlier.
Ah. Stop. Stop. Ah. Stop. That's it. That's it. And water lemon.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
What's up?
No, it's just I'll show you. Let me show off first. So the other day, somebody pulled the doors. See how this says
Mm.
BMP Lab? What does that mean? And this one obviously says here Cerritos. So somebody pulled the order, I guess it was ordered at the hospital. And
Okay.
they called and they
Babush.
think about it. Not the trees like they're hiding. So I was just double checking. The patient says he's very aware of it. So he wanted me to do it, but I'm like, oh, it's